most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi, folks. I'm Mike Keenan's physical therapist assistant.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
I have to get assistant out, you know. It's a little harder. We're the most famous physical therapist team on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Mike.
If you're new to the channel, please like, share, subscribe. Make sure to check us out on all our social media platforms.
Before we go any farther, we must disclaim that Bob's got the day off today. We're happy to have, and very well, we feel
you're building
appalled
this up.
That you're
appalled.
No, I'm just kidding. We're happy to have Mike with us. Okay, and
check us out on all our social media platforms for a 60-second version of us. Check us out on Instagram and Twitter. You can go to bobandbrad.com and check out our giveaway for the week. You can also go to the top of Facebook. It is pinned to the top.
There.
And what is it this week?
The SleepOvation mattress. This is a wonderful giveaway. Both Mike and I sleep on a SleepOvation mattress, and we absolutely love them. It's changed our sleeping habits.
I do. They're great. We're giving away a mattress and a pillow. Are we giving away a pillow? Okay, we are now.
All right. So, very good.
Today's video. Did you already say it?
Yep.
Wow. Okay.
Fix rounded hunchback posture. Change your life in 7 minutes per day. Yes, 7 minutes.
7 minutes.
So let's talk about posture, mate.
So posture. Poor posture. Leads to neck pain, back pain, shoulder pain, everything. When you're like this, you can't breathe as well, your lungs aren't open, and you kind of look like you're not approachable if you're out and about. If you're kind of looking like this all day, no one wants to come say hi to you. So sit upright. Look up.
Definitely changes your life in so many respects. So, how are we going to do this? How can we do this in 7 minutes per day? We're going to show you right now. It starts in bed, actually.
Oh.
When you get up in the morning, you want to start thinking about it. Actually, before and when you go to bed. Why don't you lay down, Mike?
Okay, I'll lay down.
When you lie in bed.
Oh.
Liz, she gave me that look like you caught it. If your pillow, and you lie on your back, if your pillow is too thick, your head, this is a thick pillow, we doubled it up, some people may do that, that's going to start that poor posture, that hunchback right there, particularly if, I don't do this, but Mike, do you test this?
What?
People in bed with a cell phone.
Oh, just like this?
Yes. Now
my girlfriend does this on the couch while the TV's on.
With maybe the head up on the, and you must say something about her posture, right? Get your head down. It's gonna give you the hunchback.
You think so, but the girlfriends don't always listen.
Hope she's not watching.
Nope.
Okay, so change the posture, or if you're watching TV in bed, we don't want to have that head forward for a prolonged time. Thin pillow. Okay. Now, you go through the night with good posture. The bed, if you have a wore-out bed that kind of have the hole in the middle, that's going to cause a problem. If you can't afford a new one...
in the middle? You mean like a slump?
Right, exactly.
You have a hole in your bed, you really have a problem.
Well, you never know what happens in some people's beds. So anyways, let's go on to the family show. If you do have that wore-out mattress and you can't afford one, you can sign up for the giveaway. You might win the SleepOvation. That's good. But one thing that Bob and I have said to our patients over the years, if you want a cheap solution, and Bob actually did this, is take a piece of plywood and slip it underneath the mattress, between the mattress and the box spring, and that can help firm it up, and that may give you a quick fix solution.
Yeah.
Do you have any other...
I actually had too firm of a mattress before. That was my problem.
Oh,
so I couldn't sleep on my back. So actually getting the SleepOvation mattress really helped that. Like I could sleep on my back. Now it's really great.
Yep. And actually the same with me. It feels so much better with my back on that mattress. So now when you get up in the morning, we're going to phase 2. Let's talk about what you do before you get out of bed. Before
I get out of bed.
Take the pillow, get rid of it. Now, heads back, you can start some chin tucks, and I'm going to show you what Mike is going to do from this position if you were looking down from the ceiling. He's doing some chin tucks, and we're going to add in the famous W stretch. Okay, so he's going to think about pushing his shoulders down into the mattress, trying to get the hands back and chin back, and take a deep breath each time you do it. Fill up those lungs. It's going to help wake you up, get you stretched out. It's a good way to start the morning
I feel
getting
like
out
I
of
need to
bed.
yawn if I keep doing these.
Yeah, you're waking up.
I guess.
5 to 10 of those is a great way to get going. How you feeling, Mike?
Like I'm awake.
Yes, okay. Then you can get out of bed.
I can get up now.
All right. Now, the next thing you can do is we're going to become very good friends with the wall for most of these stretches. Simply lean back against the wall, shoulders back, head touching the wall. Now, if you've got a slumped hunchback, it's possible you can't even get your head to the wall. So the goal is to see if you can get your head to the wall. The wall gives you perfect posture, touching here, here, and here.
3 points of contact, and then do some W's.
W's. The W stands for
Winning.
winning.
You're winning if you're doing these.
Or Wisconsin.
Winona.
Whatever.
Going
You
to that one.
do your W's, and you can do 5 to 10 of those. And then the next thing, if this is real easy and you want to do even a little more aggressive posture stretches, do the wall
Slide.
angels. Now, I've got tight shoulders.
I can't do these very well
Let's
at
see
all.
how you can do them.
I'm not
You
good
got
at
tight
these.
shoulders, too. That's from doing a lot of bench pressing, isn't it?
There, that's it.
Yep, and down.
Oh, it's hard down.
Yeah.
So my butt's touching the wall, my shoulder blades are touching the wall, my head's touching the wall. Your feet can be out, they don't have to touch
Yep.
the walls. That'd be really awkward, actually.
Yeah.
This is hard.
It is hard, but it really works the postural muscles. It wakes them up, and it gives your body a good indication of where it's supposed to be. All right. Now, the next thing.
Next thing to do is when you're looking at your cell phone standing or sitting, don't go like this and stare down into it. That's just bad posture. Bring the phone to you. Use your little T-Rex arms. Bring it here. Have it nice visual. I have my neck in a neutral spine, so I'm not too flexed over. And this will have good posture.
As well as the computer workstation. If your screen, you got a particularly laptop,
Yeah.
they're low. Get that laptop up on some books or a box, or go out and buy an actual screen riser that
Yeah.
you can adjust.
Standing desk, any of these
Yep.
things work. Same with TVs too. Get your TV at a decent position. Most people do.
Well, nowadays you can actually put them on the wall.
Yeah.
Back in the old days when they were tubes,
Yeah, they're on the floor. Yeah, I remember that. When I was a kid, you store the tube box down at the floor.
Yeah, the old age difference. It's quite a thing. We don't have that age commonality, so this is good. You can
No, we don't.
relate to the younger generation. All right, and the next thing, and last but not least,
This is the seated W's or hallelujahs. We'll do the W's again, just in a
Yep.
seated position. If you can't do this, you can always just squeeze your shoulder blades back if you have shoulder issues and you can't bring it up here. You can just do shoulder squeezes. And an alternative is the hallelujah. stretch.
Bob's famous hallelujah. I was thinking about this when I was doing this video, and I didn't know how to spell hallelujah. So
It is kind of hard to
I
spell.
Googled it, yeah. And
Yeah.
all of a sudden, this song came up, and these 7 people were singing the Shrek song. It was wonderful. I was feeling so good, doing the
A
stretches.
Shrek song?
Didn't you ever see the movie Shrek?
Yeah, I don't
Yeah.
remember the song in there.
Yeah,
Huh.
Liz does. Well, of course. You should watch it again.
You can also do, every time your football team scores a touchdown, just do the touchdown dance too.
Yeah,
Well, not
the
touchdown.
Packers have really been doing well. Have you
The
noticed?
Vikings don't have so many of those. We won last week.
Oh, good. All right. I'm happy to hear that. So, very good. It's always good to have fun with your exercises. Get your posture, get your cheer up. The social life starts to get better. You can see we're starting to talk, have some fun here. Always better with good posture. You're going to get a better job, faster job.
I
Better
got this
faster.
job just for my posture.
Yeah, well, yeah. You think that Bob would have hired you if you came in looking like this?
All slumped over the first
Yes.
day.
But
Only 7 minutes of your day can be all throughout the day or all at once. Choose what you want.
once again, let's see how this goes between us.
Oh,
We can fix just about anything,
except for a broken heart.
but we're working on it.
Could you fix that in 7 minutes?
Well, yeah, that'd be another story. But see, now we got someone
Well, at
younger
least-
in here.
At least the posture opens up your thoracic area and
Yeah.
your heart can pump easier. I don't know. Something.
You gave it a shot.
Yeah.
Take
tried.
care.
Bye.